Chinese investment in infrastructure is helping Mozambique grow economically at more than 7% a year, making it one of the fastest growing countries in Africa. But there are poor infrastructure limitations that are hampering this country's progress. To change this situation, China is assisting with a major project, the Maputo Catembe Bridge and Ring Road. The project, costing $725 million, was awarded to Chinese state company China Roads and Bridge Corporation and includes the construction of a 3-kilometer bridge as well as the roads between Maputo and Ponta do Ouro on the border with South Africa. An ambitious project which will bring a much-needed boost to the economy and generate many jobs.
We will provide in the 3 years. One, we're working with the bypass and the bridge. We will provide more than 1,000 posts for the local people. And I think the Chinese technicians will working together with the local people and try to learning and give them the skill of the work in the infrastructure like the road and the bridge.
The two sides of Maputo Bay are currently linked by an aging fleet of ferries, which are mostly overloaded with no safety features such as rafts and life jackets. A trip by ferry can take anything from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the number of passengers. A harsh reality that is far too familiar with commuters.
It will be very good if we have a concretization of the construction of the bridge. We as a people of Catembe, we are waiting for this a long time. We are waiting.
The wait is expected to last another 3 years. But once the bridge is built, the trip will be uninterrupted and the population of Catembe is expected to increase from its current 20,000 to over 400,000 people. This ferry service is not sustainable and its marine infrastructure has not been maintained for many years, making this crossing not only dangerous but extremely time-consuming for everyday commuters. The Maputo Catembe Bridge, once finished, will be like a dream come true for many Mozambicans. Scheier, CCTV News, in Maputo, Mozambique.